Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have a Panasonic Lumix DC-ZS70 digital camera and you need to do a factory reset back to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this camera, bugging or not working or anything like that, a lot of issues can be fixed just by doing this reset. The second reason you might want to do this is, there's a ton of settings on here and connections and all that kind of stuff, and you can change them all manually. But if you just want to get a fresh start and get this back to the way it was when it came out of the box, with all the default settings on it, it's super simple to do. It's just a couple of button pushes. We just need to come in and hit the menu set button to open the menu on the screen. Once the menu's on the screen, all we need to do is select the setup gear wrench, not the gear, but wrench icon, setup wrench icon submenu, and then from the setup wrench icon submenu, we'll just select the reset option. So really all there is to it: menu, setup wrench icon submenu, reset. All there is to it, and then you can set this camera up as a new camera.